Hey, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to explore a crucial aspect of managing your finances on Binance, finding your transaction history. Now, let's jump into it. To find your transaction history on the Binance app, open the app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look for the Wallet tab at the bottom of the screen. It usually looks like a small wallet icon. Tap on it to access your wallet. Now, within your wallet, you should see an option like Transaction History or Order History. Tap on this section to view your complete transaction history. Binance conveniently organizes your transactions, including deposits, withdrawals, and trades, so you can easily track your financial activity. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to find your transaction history on the Binance app. Keeping track of your financial activity is key to successful crypto management.
If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on future content.